Shey, you see the trade results. Every day is profit. But every day no be Christmas now. Why they profit every day? This robot sabi trade well or crypto and Forex. Which exchange the robot they use? Na their own exchange. Only them na the robot. Only them na the exchange. How are we sure they're trading? Na laugh for you o. Why their robot no fit trade my money for Binance or Bybit? Their robot na local champion. Na for only their exchange e fit work. I dey suspect these fake trades and fake results. Robots suppose fit connect through API to any exchanges. Oh yeah, you don't catch me, find me something now. Wetin be your name? My name na Olami Posi. Your name na Olami Ponzi. You want scam me? Ponzi dey your name. This small money then send me from abroad. You want use format collect am. Try attend our Zoom meeting. Abeg zoom off.
Run o.
Warren Buffett say, Oga, leave Warren Buffett, go straight to the point. This business, no product, no selling, just bring two people, tell them to bring two in a 2x2 matrix. Huh? If your 2 feet bring two way, bring their own 2, up to 500 levels, you go cash out. Huh? Use this money to register and start bringing people. Waiting we they bring people for? We they bring people to bring people to bring people. You they craze? Are you mad? Na 2x2 matrix. If I knock you 2x2, body go tell you wetin be your name? My name na Adetutu. No wonder you they do 2x2. Abeg get out.
My name is Leader Tina. These products fit cure anything.
Why hospital still full?
I tell you, sir, these supplements fit wake person wey don already pie.
Jesu Christi.
These supplements resurrect my late grandfather.
Your poor am on top is great.
Lord.
Exactly, this thing fit change genotype from SS to JJ.
Or Salobua.
One woman use am, she gets pregnant without sleeping with any man.
No be juju be that.
Wow.
This thing fit cure bad luck, witchcraft and poverty.
No be juju be that?
Bring this money, make I register you as stockist.
Abeg no touch my money.
See this doctor testimony of our product.
But this doctor they do testimony for different companies.
This is a medical doctor.
Abeg this one a native doctor, see him strong face, fake testimony. This your glasses. Na recommended? Na prescription?
Yes, I'm short-sighted.
Why the supplement no cure your bad sight? You blind bat. Abeg they go, the Boniche seller. This website that they pay 2% daily ROI. Minimum investment na $100. Wetin them they do to make the 2%? Them they into farming, especially poultry. Where their farm they? See their poultry now. Their farm they inside computer. You they show me file picture. The poultry, the Iran and Palestine. Now fowl and egg now they give them 2% per day. Where that fowl come from? From my backyard, I done into poultry business for 15 years now. Wow. So poultry and egg, no fee pay you 2% per day. Impossible. It's possible. The website is paying. Birds! Attack him! What are those birds doing? Get them off my head! They're eating your hair. They are gone now. Your poultry birds finished my hair. Next time, no lie against them. I dey comot before them go come chop my brain. Thief! No give anybody shishi if na FX or digital coins. Find a legit broker or exchange. Okay? As you know sabi trade, do copy trading on a legit A-book broker. Which one be A-book broker? The A-book brokers get enough external liquidity to pay you. They make money from fees and commissions only. What of B-book brokers? The B-book brokers make money from your losses. Now you against them. How I go take no legit one, abeg? You need well-regulated broker wey no fit japa with your money. Regulated in countries like Australia and UK, etc. No be the ones wey go do partial regulations for Cayman Islands, Mauritius, St. Vincent and Grenadines. You need broker wey get profitable traders wey you fit copy and cash out. You need a broker with offices in Nigeria, so if anything happens, you can walk to their office. You need broker wey go give you dedicated account officer for follow-up and fast issues resolution. You need broker with fast withdrawal, no be the one wey go sit down on top your money. For recommendations, join my community. Links in description. Thank you, Isibo.